Hello and welcome to firststepsinforex.com. Today is the 10th of January 2011, the Monday, and we're looking at the pound dollar daily chart. Now, the pound dollar has got quite volatile over the last few days. You can see here that we've had a major downtrend because the dollar's been a lot stronger than the pound. We bounced to a low here off this support and resistance area, and we were starting to come back up. We bounced off this support and resistance area, the 61.8 retracement, and it's got a bit messy here. We almost got a funny kind of triangle, if there's such a thing. I mean, well, there are triangle shapes that you can get in the chart patterns, and it's almost as if, let me just try and draw it in. It's a very rough and messy one, but it's almost as if something has to happen. We've got a tight area of consolidation. Now, we've also got a major pivot area here, we've got a pivot area here. So for me, I'm not going to get involved with the pound dollar until I know that it's clearly broken below this support and resistance area, this pivot area, or it's broken above this one. It's very messy and very volatile. I mean, if you look at it, we dropped dramatically, we went back up dramatically, very hard to do anything about it. In fact, I was short last week. I caught a few pips, but I got caught out and stop loss, and I made a small loss of about 10 pips as we broke up through here. I mean, these two bars here are very bullish. This is an outside, almost an outside bullish bar. So, but we didn't have a lot of action on Friday. Not much is happening yet this morning, although of course the UK, etc., and Europe have not woken up yet on my time zone. So we have to wait a while to see what happens. Okay, so for me, for this week, I won't make any move on the pound dollar unless it breaches below this support and resistance here, which is also the 38.2% retracement, or above here as well. I might, you can probably, if it breaches above this one, it's likely to go up to this one, follow over to this trend line up. Let me just take those things off again because they're confusing. Okay, this is a trend line that we established before, but it's a little bit messy. It might, if it goes back above that, it might provide support as we go up. So we should, if it's clearly bouncing off that one, then we can take advantage of it on dips to buy, to go long. But at the moment, it's just too messy for me, and I'm not going to touch it. Okay, so I'll report back in a couple of days, but for the moment, no trade on the pound dollar, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much for watching this. Hopefully that you trade safely and profitably. Thank you. Goodbye.